So officially, Daddy, welcome to my humble house.
Thank you very much.
Alright, you see that one there now? That one there is one of the type of car I want. Wonder if I can get it for 2020. I don't believe so I can buy a car in 2020. How many Virgin Squad talk to me now? I don't know how I'm going to drive. He and jog up on dates and all these things. Come on. Root for me in the comments. Car in 2020. It clean now, you know. I tell you say car clean. But you look like you don't hear me. Can you look shocked? Bro, say hi to the vlog real quick.
Bless up, you see me?
I haven't seen this dude in a while, man.
Years, and in a year still, but a long time.
Somebody would have say, Freddy.
Shannon.
You never know, say sorry.
Hey boy, yo. Just learn Freddy. Just learn Freddy.
Don't call man Freddy, brother. Woman call man Freddy, brother.
Call him now.
Anytime I see him now, Freddy! So, officially, Daddy, welcome to my humble house.
Thank you very much.
Space small.
Space small, bad.
Alright, so this is the upstairs. This is the upstairs, and around here says the downstairs. Around here says the kitchen, the bathroom, the extra room, the next room.
Dark.
Daddy, over here.
Woo! Respect and glad and thank you for inviting me, sir.
Yeah, Daddy, and as you come, you know if you eat breakfast, we never need to eat it. You eat breakfast already? How would you make breakfast for you? Or dinner with you make?
No problem, anything you want.
Dinner.
Okay, good.
Satisfy with anything.
So your daughter-in-law, I never call her in-law, but can't bother with that.
Yeah.
So you can come on and say, Daddy, I run and say, we kitchen there. You can go look, you know. The space small as my still.
Space small,
I'm
bad.
very happy just make to do with it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And around here says the bathroom.
You know?
Yeah. Around here says the...
So how you and the bigger time too?
Daddy, eat and mash me up.
Eat.
Yo! I'm hungry every minute.
Yeah,
And she tell me say she want to upgrade it, but I don't want she upgrade it.
that, you know, you have to make sure you eat.
Cause you see, me and you say if you upgrade it to the bigger one, if me know it, me go feel all sick.
The place is nice, you know, the place is nice. You know?
Yeah. So see the bathroom here, you can go look to.
Me like how, you know?
We put it together. Yeah, man, so see the little space here. And
Yeah, that's nice, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Place is nice, you know?
Yeah, man, so hey, man, you can go and sit down meal, man, and thing. And if you go and stretch your leg, let me know and think out this. Daddy, there are people. Invite Daddy. Woo! Most important meal for the day. Chef Ianja. Baby Ram. Bossy Baby Ram dance.
You know I can't eat, I gotta watch.
And this we should have do yesterday, you know. Would I live happy?
That's the unnecessary $3,000.
Man.
My God, my heart.
To some people love KFC.
Okay. The piping in our bathroom already not at all.
Oh Lord, we thank you for your blessing. Thank you for your providence. We ask your blessing upon this house and the young family. We ask your continued blessing in Jesus' name.
Amen.
One thing, you know, don't laugh. You know, me have to take out the teeth.
No, that's
Because you I'm no. You see, through me now, the poly group done. When me put it with, I make it stay.
Oh.
You know.
Oh, you take out it already?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you took it out fast.
I'm putting it in my pocket.
Let me see how Daddy respond to your food. Because if you know taste good.
It nice, man.
Oh, you know say nice, you don't eat it. Oh, you taste, me not see. One cucumber, everybody know cucumber taste.
No, and the
Mayonnaise.
with the pasta, yeah?
Yeah?
Probably a worry why I'm not eat, but tell him just why I'm not eat.
When she cooks, she loves to sit down and watch people eat.
Okay, nice, yeah, man.
Can get more potato salad if you want. There's a couple I didn't want to carry home some, so I just did save back some in the kitchen in case I want to walk with a couple
Okay.
dish.
Well, you probably know. Probably know if you good food, you know.
Yeah.
People try to change people.
Yeah.
To see them one
So
like
for them won't like him.
Yeah. If you see the man or the woman, you can adjust, you know?
Yeah, true.
And you must can adjust, you know?
But I just in our relationship, I must want to wait.
Yes. Alright. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but no, so nobody not perfect. Nobody tell me say your flaws too little that you can't try. I just say.
And when you know, there's a man who cuss bad words, so in terms of, you understand what I mean? Like,
Arguments.
yeah. I mean, outside people are teeth and tongue must meet, you know. But after the meeting,
What happened
oh,
after that?
you
Well, what about
True.
yeah. I will me buy one of the 2 bicycles.
Yeah. That story
You
there.
could ride for the
I
veranda.
just used to tell me, so I used to ride in bicycle
Yeah.
on the veranda.
Yeah.
Oh.
God, they don't make you go road here.
Mm-mm.
They don't make you go road, you know?
Because you what you know, in our community in Astimate, you see,
Yeah.
these children are very bright. You know? And I mean, know the Bible, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because even though Jesus good at
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah, because even one it was a missionary.
Missionary church.
They went up and say some the Bible,
The
books of the Bible, right? And believe you me, when Reverend Dr. Yogi left came and they said, where's Brother Mike? Where's him? They sit down and some have to draw down so in a chair. And I mean the amount of people in the church, half of the people in the church get up and pay for them.
Oh man.
Yeah, you have to pay money for take down.
Yeah. And Sister Nita, and Sister Nita, them grandmother.
No, my mother.
Yeah. I mean, she was, you know what I mean? Because she loved them.
Yeah.
And believe you me, Reverend said them not moving, tell him see Brother White. I mean, them say, see Brother White, Brother White, Brother White. And him asked them, who teach you to say the books of the Bible? When say them father. But that time, you know, you can only say Genesis to Leviticus, you know what I mean?
So we are at the segment of the vlog where we drink the Vigor time. But guess what? Guess what? The Vigor time do. The Vigor time do. Let's drink. Let's drink to the hardworking people. Let's drink. It'll be more than we need. Let me not tell you what going on, man. Ian try to tell me say she's sorry say daddy will leave. See that?
Yeah, man. I spent a day with my son and his wife, so I'm very happy about that.
Yeah, it's a good look.
Yeah.
You know what's a better look?
Yeah.
The video I do with the Jehovah Witness, daddy get the hat.
Okay.
We do a video of me act like a Jehovah Witness, but
Okay.
we never do it 100% correct, but it did funny.
Yeah.
So you enjoy the look of video them over there.
Yeah, man. They were nice, you know.
Alright, good. So I try put that in a vehicle now.
Yeah, man.
See if we can get it. You can reach it before certain time. Let me know where you're reaching.
Thank you. Maybe both will take it easy.
Alright, daddy, later. Alright, so reach to the sad part at any time for me again when my father have to cut. But this time I'm not really emotional, none at all. That's the best thing. Because him actually spend the whole day. Him just find out say me a YouTuber. It's not that him wouldn't know or I really tell him, even though I never really tell him, it's just that my father not in the internet world none at all. So me tell him today say yo, me's a YouTuber and this me do want me to explain it to him. And him dig it. So it's a good look. Time for go back into wifey and see what she a deal with. Whew.
Watching.
Just don't do some editing. I'm hungry. You know it go already. You're extra hungry when you know say food did it, and you're extra hungry when the food nice. The food was nice, babe, even though you're not talking to me right now. So babe, just tell me one important piece of information. How much days now may I vlog consecutively?
33.
So my job 33 vlogs. I know some did triple upload one of the day. So basically it's safe to say I vlog 30 days straight without stop. So maybe that's my personal record. Let's see if I can carry it to 100 days. I don't know if I can do it, but 100 days I aim for vlogging straight without miss a day. Can we do it? Feel like I can do it?
Yeah.
Girl, don't put it up for me. 30 days without rest. I get some good sleep tonight that I can catch back myself because my eye them red right now. And baby now one mood where she a try this mistake, but you don't know. Feel up here. Most man like you.
Could never be love.
So you go out of your way to hurt me. This a can't love, this a surgery. See it, yeah? Eat some food, yeah, man.